All right, I bought a Miata. It's over there, and this is me trying to get on the trailer.
That was awesome.
Holy shit. Well, I'm also in New Jersey. Forgot to mention that. We left 10 o'clock last night, pulled up this morning. But here it is. I'm also filming on a new setting since I figured this out. It's more wide angle. So if it looks a little distorted, that is why, but we're gonna get better shots. Here's the Miata. First look, a 1.8, E-clips, coils, flat tires, rust, and a title all included. It has an interior, and fenders are at the house. So I'll see you guys in like 8 hours, 9 hours when we get home. Goodbye. All right, listen up. Now I'm not gonna say we haven't paid tolls today, but I don't know how this easy pass shit works. All right, sometimes there's just not a lane to either pay cash or pay at all, and it's just all the roads are easy pass, and we may or may not have just cruised through like probably 8 by now. So that's it. So we have, I wonder if you guys heard that. We stopped at Denny's for lunch. Absolutely smacking. I'm feeling it right now. Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs? Well, I'm fucking feeling it right now. I'm really tired. Pedro slept 2 hours last night, and I probably got an hour and a half. I kind of just hung out the second sleep. But we are coming back. Here is the Delaware Memorial Bridge or something. I don't know. It's absolutely massive and it's just really pretty. I thought I would show you guys. New Jersey is just so industrial. I guess you know that's kind of how the North got started, but it's really pretty out here. A lot of great weather, and
You got an extra 5?
that's about it, man. Still don't know how to use toll roads. All right, so we are 5 hours into the drive. We still have 4 hours left to go. The only thing wrong with the math here is that it's supposed to be a 7-hour drive. We've sat in traffic for probably 2 hours, would be my guess, and we're probably getting ready to go sit in it some more. It's getting ready to rain, so I rolled the windows up on the Miata. The top was up. So anyways, 4 more hours. I will see you guys at home. Goodbye. All right, so we're in North Carolina. We're supposed to be home by now. We just crossed over the North Carolina border. We got an hour and a half left, and that's it. It's not raining this second, sprinkling a little bit. So fingers crossed, unloading the car this evening, and that's all I got. All right, hello. This works. We're home. Holy shit, it has been a long day. It's 9:48 this second, and I just want to show you guys the Miata. So we got the spare on the front for right now. I'll be able to show you guys the rest of this tomorrow, but this is how she is gonna be sitting for the night, basically until I get it fixed. I somehow accidentally turned on manual focus, so just deal with it. But anyways, we got the Miata here tonight. We got that spare on to get it off the trailer, and the barrels shouldn't be dented. They'll be scratched up a little bit. It didn't like blow out and fall to the ground. It had just rolled around, which I've done on many wheels. So fingers crossed, they should be fine. We still have the one stuck lug on the rear corner that we'll have to figure out at some point. And then, like I said, we got the fenders. But anyways, guys, we will dive into all of that tomorrow. Have a great night. All right, what's going on? It's the next day. I took a very long sleep after being up for like 30 hours. We are gonna start diving into the Miata today. So
You guys saw it yesterday, but we definitely, it's gonna be sitting on this curb for a couple days. I'm gonna at least put the fenders on and then try to get that stuck lug off. I don't know if I'm gonna have to freeze it off, melt it off, just chip away at it till it's off. I have no idea, but here is the Miata. Might also try to put the new soft top on. I really do want to go through this thing and see what came in this car, but I might save that for another video. I don't really know what we're doing, but you guys are coming along with me. All right, boys, it's hot as hell, but let's get into it. So far, I have found the other mirror, a Supreme water bottle, 1 jewel, and a steering wheel, actually. If anybody wants an NRG wheel, hit me up, because I don't need it. Somebody cop. Alright, boys, here's the heart of this absolute beast. 1.8, it is a 5-speed. I was super happy when it turned on and ran. It looks pretty clean under here. This was swapped into here. So the body has 210, 215 on it, and then the motor has about 180. I cannot complain since it started right up. So there were a couple fender bolts on this thing. I am just gonna go zip ties temporarily. And by temporarily, I mean until they fall off. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking like a car already. If this bolt fits in here, I'm gonna cry. We're good, boys. We are good. We're gonna go with mostly zip ties and 1 bolt. Oh, that's one. I think I found another bolt for the same place on the other side, so I'm gonna try that. A little rusty from the donor car, but so is this one, so we don't need that. All right, back to zip ties because we just snapped it off. All right, started raining, of course, right? Like literally 30 seconds ago. So I am just gonna save the rest of diving into the Miata for another video. This will just be the introductory video. You get to see it, and then we'll have another video where I actually dive into it. I'm getting ready to go edit another video, the one that's coming out tomorrow, Monday, and then I will edit this one as well. We will go from there, but hopefully we'll get some better luck with rain later in the week, and I will see you guys then. So this has been Fitz, Emmy, Pedro, and the new Miata back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.